video, I want to do like an old twist out and style that old twist out into like a ponytail that's cute, do some edges. Let's keep watching, okay? So I have my bonnet on. It's a lazy day. I just held my old twist out with a satin scrunchie. So let me just take it off, show you guys what we're dealing with. Oh, okay. I'm okay. That's how I protect my hair at night. I just use like a satin scrunchie and satin bonnet, you know, so it doesn't come off all night. This is the old twist out. I can't wait for wash day. I'll be using 2 hair ties, my spray bottle, just some water mixed with a bit of rose water, my DIY leave-in conditioner, some gel. I have this aloe vera olive oil avocado one by Nice and Lovely, and of course my edge brush. Separate this a bit before it turns into a knot. I don't really feel like doing a high pony just because my hair is not very long. Just going to spray it like towards the roots. Lightly all over the hair. A little bit so that the hair has some moisture. Instant facelift. I think that's pretty decent. My 2 hair ties like that. I hope you guys can see. And then I'm going to wrap around. The rose water also helps the hair smell good, you know. I feel like I need to oil some spots a bit, so I'm just going to take a little bit in my hand. Just apply a bit. I'm going to take my edge brush and use this part. I need to see better. I don't know if the lighting has affected. Sorry. I just need to see my baby hairs clearly. Spray a bit of rose water. Just a little bit, not a lot, you see? Ooh, somewhere to my eyebrows. You're going to open extra hold styling gel. Apparently it holds the style for up to 7 days. I should test that. Have any of you guys tried doing like maybe a slick back style on type 4 natural hair and then it has lasted like from Monday up to Sunday? Tebu, if you've tried that, please let me know in the comments. I'm curious because I've never tried. And then I just put on the edges. I don't put so much, just kidogo. And brush downwards a little bit. Then I start to make the swoops like that. I hope you guys can see. So I just like to do a swoop, another swoop, then I do the swoops on this other side. Just a little bit more of the gel. Then I put on top of those swoops. And since I'm indoors, this is how I'm going to be as I do some editing. These are how the edges are looking. just very simple with a bit of swoop-de-doo with the edges. Let me know in the comments if this is also how you style your, easy ponytails, lazy day ponytail. This is how I like to style my old twist out, and let me know if you guys like this style, if you're going to try it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, comment and share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.